This is a specimen of brain. These two together forms the cerebrum, and the two halves are called the cerebral hemispheres. This is the anterior aspect. This is the posterior aspect. These are the two sides. In the middle, the two cerebral hemispheres are separated by a midline fissure, that is the median fissure. These two anterior ends of the two hemispheres are called the anterior pole or the frontal pole. Posteriorly, these two are called the two occipital pole or posterior pole. Now, laterally, this convex surface, which is most prominently seen just after holding, is bounded above by the superomedial border and below by the inferolateral border. Both of them are starting from the frontal pole and ending at the occipital pole. But the inferolateral border is again divided into two parts where there is a prominence or projection of the temporal pole. So laterally we are getting one extra pole, that is the temporal pole. Below, this surface is the inferior surface. Now the inferior surface laterally is bounded by inferolateral border. Medially it is bounded by the inferomedial border, which here is little bit obscured because of the presence of brainstem, midbrain and brainstem. And behind this structure is the cerebellum. So in between the cerebrum and cerebellum, this area will be related with the tentorium cerebelli. That's why this surface is also known as tentorial surface, the inferior part of the cerebrum, which is in relation with the cerebellum. The inferior surface of the cerebrum, which is in front of the brainstem, that part are called the orbital surface. So there are altogether three borders: the superomedial border, the inferolateral border, and the inferomedial border. Stop.